First reading. A reading from the first book of Kings, chapter 19, verses 9 and 11 to 16. There he went into a cave and spent the night there. Then the word of Yahweh came to him, saying, What are you doing here, Elijah? Then he was told, Go out and stand on the mountain before Yahweh. For at that moment Yahweh was going by. A mighty hurricane split the mountains and shattered the rocks before Yahweh. But Yahweh was not in the hurricane, and after the hurricane, an earthquake. But Yahweh was not in the earthquake, and after the earthquake, fire. But Yahweh was not in the fire, and after the fire, a light murmuring sound. And when Elijah heard this, he covered his face with his cloak and went out and stood at the entrance of the cave. Then a voice came to him, which said, What are you doing here, Elijah? He replied, I am full of jealous zeal for Yahweh, God's Sabbath, because the Israelites have abandoned your covenant, have torn down your altars, and put your prophet to the sword. I am the only one left, and now they want to kill me. Go, Yahweh said, go back by the same way to the desert of Damascus. You must go and anoint Hazael as king of Aram. You must anoint Jehu son of Nimshi as king of Israel, and anoint Elisha son of Shaphat of Abel Meholah as prophet to succeed you. This is the word of Lord. Thanks be to God. A reading from the Gospel according to Matthew, chapter 5, verses 27 to 32. You have heard how it was said, You shall not commit adultery. But I say this to you, if a man looks at a woman lustfully, he has already committed adultery with her in his heart. If your right eye should be your downfall, tear it out and throw it away, for it will do you less harm to lose one part of yourself than to have your whole body thrown into hell. And if your right hand should be your downfall, cut it off and throw it away, for it will do you less harm to lose one part of yourself than to have your whole body go to hell. It has also been said, anyone who divorces his wife must give her a writ of dismissal. But I say this to you, everyone who divorces his wife, except for the case of an illicit marriage, makes her an adulteress, and anyone who marries a divorced woman commits adultery.